to fix Snapchat charms not showing up on a friend's profile. So to fix Snapchat charms not showing on a friend's profile, first check that both of you share the required activity, for example snapping, chatting, and have the latest app update. If they are still missing, open the Snapchat app on a device, then swipe to the right to open up your chat screen, then go to the friend's chat and then tap on your friend's name to open up their profile. Then scroll down to the bottom and then tap on hidden button. If the charm is on the list, tap it and select restore. Now several community users have reported that editing a friend's display name forces a cache reset. Simply tap on your friend's name, then delete their old name, type a new name and then save it. Now the next what you can do is wait for the system to update. Charms are strictly based on your relationship and interactions with that person. If you haven't interacted for a while or if they recently started chatting with someone else more frequently, certain charms like besties will disappear naturally. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.